Welcome to Health Harmony Hub, where we shed light on habits that may be standing in the way of your well-being. Today, we explore the top 10 unhealthy habits that could be affecting your health negatively. In today's video, we are going to cover 10 bad habits that affect your well-being. Let's dive into it. 1. Sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for extended periods is detrimental to your health. Break the habit of a sedentary lifestyle by incorporating regular physical activity into your day. Take short breaks, stretch, and move to keep your body active. 2. Poor nutrition choices. Indulging in processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive fast food can take a toll on your health. Opt for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to provide your body with essential nutrients. 3. Lack of sleep. Burning the midnight oil regularly can have serious consequences. Prioritize adequate sleep for optimal physical and mental health. Create a consistent sleep schedule and a conducive sleep environment. 4. Excessive screen time. Spending too much time in front of screens can strain your eyes and disrupt sleep patterns. Set limits on screen time, especially before bedtime, and incorporate screen-free breaks throughout the day. 5. Stress eating. Using food as a coping mechanism for stress is a common unhealthy habit. Seek alternative stress relief methods such as exercise, meditation, or talking to a friend to break free from stress-induced eating. 6. Skipping meals. Skipping meals disrupts your body's rhythm and can lead to overeating later on. Establish a regular eating schedule to ensure your body receives consistent nourishment throughout the day. 7. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Smoking and excessive alcohol intake are well-known health hazards. Quit smoking and limit alcohol consumption to protect your respiratory system, liver, and overall well-being. 8. Neglecting mental health. Ignoring your mental health is a harmful habit. Make self-care a priority, seek professional help if needed, and address mental health concerns promptly. 9. Overdependence on technology. Constantly being glued to devices can lead to physical and mental strain. Practice digital detoxes, set boundaries on screen time, and engage in real-life activities to foster a healthier balance. 10. Procrastination. Procrastination can contribute to increased stress levels and missed opportunities. Break the habit by setting realistic goals, managing your time effectively, and addressing tasks promptly. It's time to break these chains and pave the way for a healthier you. For more tips on cultivating a well-balanced life, subscribe to Health Harmony Hub. Until next time, make choices that promote your well-being.